Welcome to the Certec Workbench. I'd like to introduce you to the Intelligent Door Interlocking System. This system actually has multiple configurations in the controller. This one is actually set up for a group of 4 doors and a group of 3 doors. The groups will consist of the LED lights, mag locks, the controller, door contacts, and emergency maglock overrides. So in group 1, which is the group of 4 doors, this will open the group and the magnet is unlocked for the unlocked door. Magnet's locked for the locked doors. Second group will be the group of 3. Magnet up for the unlocked door, and these are the locked doors. These groups actually work independent of each other, so multiple doors can be open and closed. And the emergency overrides work independent of each group. So if you're in group 1 and you can't escape, you can hit the emergency override and you see the door unlocks. To reset the emergency maglock override, you just twist and it resets. Group 2, emergency override, twist to reset. And then these overrides also work independently of each group. So where group 1, if you need to escape, group 2 will still be locked. Group 1 will be open. Twist to reset.